Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe from my mom. It's the ginger shrimp recipe with a twist. Make sure to watch the video until the end to see the secret ingredient of this recipe or the twist. Thank you. Let's get started. For our ingredients, we'll be needing butter, ginger, minced, and shrimps. And now let's start cooking. Sorry I forgot to include cooking oil in our ingredients. Let's add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in our pan or casserole. And now we can add the butter. Let's make sure to melt the butter before we mix in the next ingredient. Now that the butter is melted, we can now add the ginger. Let's saute it for about 1 to 2 minutes before we add the next ingredient. Now it's time to add the shrimps. Turn the shrimps once in a while to avoid overcooking. Now that our shrimps are half cooked, let's add 1 teaspoon of sugar to add additional flavor to our recipe. Again, don't forget to mix or turn our shrimps for the equal distribution of flavors. Tada! Our ginger shrimp recipe is ready to be served. And before this video ends, let's reveal the secret ingredient of this recipe. The secret ingredient is tomato ketchup. Yes, that's correct. I added about 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup in our recipe. The ketchup complements the spiciness of the ginger and the sweetness of the sugar that we added to our recipe. It's a perfect combination. So guys, it's time to try this new recipe in your kitchen. This is perfect for family lunch, dinner, or even on special events. Again, thanks for watching guys, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more good food. Again, this is It's CHESKA. Bye!